everyone, there's a new special ops mission in Copilot Studio Agent Academy showing how to use the certified Docusign MCP tool with Copilot Studio. Why rebuild Docusign automation when you can extend it with an agent? Learn how to build an agent that can trigger an existing Docusign workflow without rebuilding your automation. To get started, the user submits a request by referencing the name of the workflow and providing some of the workflow's trigger input variables. The orchestrator then invokes the Docusign MCP tool, which first retrieves the available workflows and identifies the requirements of the target workflow based on the trigger configuration defined in Docusign. If any required variables are missing, the agent will identify the gaps and prompt the user to provide the additional information. Once the user has provided the required input variables, the agent asks the user for confirmation before proceeding. So you can see that we have incorporated the human in the loop method for validation. After receiving approval, the agent invokes the workflow and provides a summary of the outcome. But that's not all. You can see here that a skill is being invoked. For this agent, we've configured a skill that uses the WorkIQ Calendar MCP tool to create an Outlook calendar event 2 working days before the start date provided to the DocuSign workflow. If you check Outlook, you'll see that the meeting invitation has been created exactly 2 working days before the specified start date. This is multi MCP server capabilities in action. You get the best of both worlds by combining first party and third party MCP tools in Copilot Studio. Now, as for the end to end process, the first participant in the workflow is required to complete a web form. The information submitted through the form is then used to populate the input parameters of a DocuSign agreement template. The first participant reviews and signs the agreement, followed by the second participant. When the signing process finishes, the document is automatically uploaded to SharePoint. You can then review the workflow in DocuSign to see every step that was completed. Everything you learn in the Special Ops Mission Lab is presented within the context of an HR onboarding scenario. So, friends, go ahead and check out the new Special Ops mission at aka.ms/AA DocuSign MCP. And on completion, you'll receive a digital badge. See you next time. Bye.